Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find addresses of sweet sensation restaurants with 10% discount using Opay. Before seeing all this, open up your Opay app and then tap on cards. Now make sure you have an Opay Verve card, an Opay Verve debit card, physical card. Next thing you're going to do, on the bottom here you see the option for enjoy 10% off with Opay Verve card. Tap on it and then scroll down. As you can see, it says that you can get up to 10% off when you use your Opay Verve card at selected restaurants, supermarket, and NPC outlets and more. So to enjoy the discounts now, what do? You pay with your Opay Verve card and enjoy up to 10% discount at Sweet Sensation restaurants. Now, how do you find selected location? Tap on Find Selected Location. Tap on Sweet Sensation, and you see the addresses of all Sweet Sensation locations where you can get 10% discount. So look for the one nearest to you and quickly rush over there to enjoy this promo. But do not forget that this promo date is valid from August 15th to December 31st, 2024, between Thursdays to Sundays. So if you want to enjoy it, you need to rush over there right now and enjoy this promo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, and comment in the comment section so we can know if you were able to enjoy this promo. Thanks for watching.